up to you, it was a great December Monday. Asked for directions on the street. Do you remember it was cold and it was raining, but it felt like summertime to me. 'Cause when you opened up your mouth, it was like sunshine coming out. You changed the world outside my window. Right there you blew my heart away. And I remember when I met you, thinking that you were not an ordinary girl. This wasn't gonna be no ordinary day. Day, oh yeah, no ordinary day.